Check it out.
If you missed this Black Friday, you are going to pay double next year. In this video, I'm going to show you Spaceship cheapest domain deals this 2025. You don't want to miss any of it. Spaceship is offering a ridiculous prices for domain, hosting, email, and all of their services. You have to watch this video to the end, and also check the link I'm going to drop in this video description so that you get access to instant discount you don't want to miss. By the way, if you're new here, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, digital marketing, and web design. If this is what you love, hit the subscribe button and let's get right into it. Just click on Black Friday Deals 2025, or you just come to my website and click on www.faithamoli.com/resources, or you just come to resources, hover around resources, click on Black Friday. You'll be able to arrive on this page. You scroll down and let me show you Spaceship under domain. Just come to best domain Black Friday deals. You will see Spaceship. These are then Spaceship is offering you this period 98% off, and you also have their newcomer coupon code. Click on Get Spaceship Black Friday. Boom, you will be on the Black Friday page for you to access this. So these are services that are already selling fast on their Black Friday deals. You can search here to get access to it. This is the coupon code is already on my website there, so you can decide to go for this one. You can decide to go for hosting. If you switch to hosting, you will see the available hosting prices, very cheap. If you want email, you can go for email. If you want WordPress, this is their managed WordPress hosting, you can go for it. And the best thing is that you can actually buy your domain here, host it here, and you get a massive discount. All you have to do is just to click on search domain you want to use. Boom, you are good to go. Promocode.com, copy it to the clipboard. That's absolutely amazing. Just click on add to carts. Want to view cards. As you can see, you can decide to add the web hosting, you can add the email. If you don't want to leave it, just click on continue. So at the point of checkout, we just added .com and all of that. As you can see, there is a massive discount. You can also apply the promo code, put it here, and you apply. They said promo code, you need to log in to access that. So I don't want to log in, I just want to show you how to go about it. Just make sure you log in, create an account, and boom, you will be in for their Black Friday deals. Make sure you're grabbing this hot. See you in my next video.